the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you. This is Saad Farooq Khan and we welcome you to the next episode of the Book of Light. In this episode, we are going to proceed with verse 86 from the 6th chapter of the Holy Quran, which is Surah An'am. He also guided Ismail, Elisha, Jonah and Lot. He granted them excellence for all mankind. God guided some of their ancestors, children and brothers. He chose them and guided them to the straight way. This is God's guidance. He guides any of his servants whom he wills. Had they committed polytheism, all of their actions would have gone to waste. However, they were those whom God had gave the book, authority and prophethood. If they, the unbelieving Arabs, now refuse to believe, God will grant this favor to those who do not believe. O Prophet, they, the earlier messengers, were guided by God. So you too follow their way and tell them, I do not ask of you any reward. This Quran is the divine message for all mankind. The unbelievers fail to appreciate God as He should be. For they say, God did not reveal anything to any human being. Ask them, who had then sent the book which Moses has brought? It was guidance and light for the people. But you keep it into separate sheets. You show only some of it, while you conceal much of it. You were taught what you or your ancestors did not know. Say, it was God who sent the book. Leave them alone in their vain talk and amusement. God has revealed this blessed Quran. It confirms the earlier books. O prophets, with this warn the people of Makkah and all those around it. Those who believe in the next life believes also in the Quran. They are always particular about their prayers. Who is a greater wrongdoer than he who invents a lie against God? Or he who claims divine revelation has come to me, whereas no revelation is sent to him? Or he who boasts, I will produce the like of what God has revealed? You could but see when these wrongdoers will be in the pangs of death, with the angels stretching out their hands asking them, give up souls. Today you will be rewarded with humiliating punishment. For you used to tell lies against God and you arrogantly rejected His signs. God will tell them on the day, now you have come to us alone as we had created you for the first time. You have left behind all that we had given you. We do not see any of your intercessors about whom you exclaimed that they were our partners. All relations between you and them have now been cut off. All those whom you imagined to be partners with us have vanished. It is God who causes the seed and the fruit kernel to split and grow. He brings forth the living from the dead and the dead from the living. Such is your God. Why then are you deviating? He causes the dawn break and made the night for rest, and the sun and the moon for calculating time. All this is the arrangement of God, the Almighty, the All-Knowing. He has made stars for you so that you may find directions in the darkness of the land and the sea. He has explained His signs for those who understand. It is He who created you from a single person, Adam, and appointed for you a place of stay, this world, and a resting place, the next world. He has explained His signs for those who realize the truth. It is He who sends water from the heavens, and with it produces all kinds of plants. From it He produces green crops, grain, olives, and pomegranates. All of these look alike, yet they differ so much. When they begin to bear fruits, observe their fruits, how they become ripe. In all this, there are signs of those who have faith. They, the unbelievers, take the jinn as partners with God. However, it is God who has created the jinn. They assign to God sons and daughters. They do so without any evidence. Glory be to Him. He is far above what they ascribe to Him. He is the originator of the heavens and the earth. How can He have a son while He does not have any spouse? Rather, He has created everyone, and He knows well everything. Such is your Lord. There is no God rather than He. He is the creator of everything. So worship Him, and He is the guardian of everything. No sight can encompass Him. However, He encompasses all sights. He is most subtle, all aware. O prophets, say, clear proofs to open your eyes have now come to you from your Lord. He who chooses to see clearly will do so to his own good. He chooses to be blind to it, will do so to his own harm. I am not accountable for you. God explains His signs clearly, yet the believers and the unbelievers will blame you, the prophet. Thus you have learned it from someone. God does so in order to make things clear to those gifted with knowledge. O prophet, follow what is sent to you from your Lord. There is no God besides Him. Turn aside from those who take partners with God. Had God willed, they would not have taken partners with Him. He has not appointed you their guardian, nor are you accountable for them. Do not speak ill of those whom the unbelievers call upon besides God. Otherwise, out of ignorance, they will speak ill of God. This is how God has made the actions of every community pleasing to them. All of them will nonetheless return to Him. He will then inform them what they used to do. The unbelievers swore by God that if a sign came to them, they will believe in it. O prophets, say, all these are the signs, and they are with God. You do not know. Even if all the signs come to them, they will not believe. God turns away their hearts and their eyes from the truth, for they did not believe in the first place. God will leave them wandering and stumbling. Had God sent angels to them, had the dead spoken to them, and had all things been presented before their eyes, they would still not believe. They will believe only when God wills so. Most of them behaves as ignorant people. God made for every messenger his enemy, the evil ones from among human beings and jinn. They misled one another with flowery speech. O prophet, had your Lord willed, they could not do so. So leave them alone to invent what they like, so that the hearts of those be drawn to it, this deception. They do not believe in the next life. They may be pleased with it and do what they like. O prophet, tell them, what shall I look for a judge other than God while He has sent to you the detailed book? Those given the books earlier by God know well that Quran is sent to you by your Lord in truth. So do not be among those who doubt the truth. Your Lord's word is perfect, full of truth and justice. No one can change His word. He is all hearing, all knowing.